Hey, this is Nick, the researcher from CoinBox Finance, and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, or the dinosaur in the cryptocurrency world. So we're going to look at the project a little bit, talk about why it is sort of outdated at this point, why it's not the best project, and cover the technicals and see why we can see a much larger growth in projects such as Ethereum, for example, in the long run than Bitcoin. Obviously, we're going to have a look at the whole market situation as well. So if you do enjoy the video, leave a like, show us some love, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. You can follow us on Twitter and on YouTube for the best crypto news in the market. So first and foremost, what Bitcoin is, it's a payment network, and it was created back in the day as the first cryptocurrency on the market by Satoshi Nakamoto. So this guy, nobody knows who exactly he is, but it could even be, some plan of central banks around the world to slowly transition money into the digital money by, setting this ploy to create Bitcoin, but nobody actually knows how it came to be. And this is the first coin on the market. And basically what you can do is you can purchase it, you can get started with Bitcoin, you can build on it, you can do a few different things. Now, there's an overview if you want to check in a little bit more detail, but this is not very important for me. What I want to cover is that they say they have fast peer-to-peer transactions, worldwide payments, and low processing fees. Now, this is true, but when you look at a relative standpoint compared to the rest of the market, we don't have fast transactions. They are very slow compared to the rest of the market. Worldwide payments, okay, and processing fees are also much larger than, for example, Ethereum, the first counterpart, but then others as well. So officially, Bitcoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks. So it is the first decentralized sort of blockchain on the market. And the idea is that transactions can be managed and the issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively on the network. So it's open source, its design is public, nobody owns or controls Bitcoin like as a whole, right? And everybody can take part. So that is the innovation that Bitcoin has brought to us in the cryptocurrency industry, and brought a lot of different, projects and competition along in the more recent times. So now we have over 7,000 cryptocurrencies on the market. Bitcoin still does have 45% of the total market share, which I believe will go down in the future, but we are still in early stages of this bull run right now. The total market cap is at $2.5 trillion. And we're going to see, looking at the technicals, why exactly I believe Bitcoin will dip a little bit in the short term, then potentially grow more, and then dip again in the long term, where we will have Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, for example, overtaking it. And this whole top 10 right here will be a lot different in the future. Now, looking at Bitcoin, statistically, we have a price of $60,000, just above, so there's a support at that level. The volume is around $33 billion per every 24 hours, and the market cap is just over 1.1 trillion. So as a comparison, gold actually has a market cap of around $10 trillion, and I believe the global crypto market cap will easily surpass that number given a sufficient amount of time. So the volume in Bitcoins right here, you can see a few other statistics. Obviously, join the market tracker if you want to find the best news on the market. You can find everything when it comes to charts, data, historical data, and also news for every single coin out there. So make sure to take a look. Next up, we have the crypto fear and greed index. So currently we're greedy, but I don't trust these indicators too much, as it's obvious when the market is bullish, everyone is greedy. When the market is bearish, everybody is, less greedy and more fearful. But the fearful stages, I would not believe last month was a fearful stage. I believe the fearful stage was this whole area right here. So the first larger retracement in the market, where everybody thought, oh, okay, this is a bear market, we're done for and whatever. But basically it was just a retracement in a larger bull run. So Bitcoin recently has been respecting this upwards trend channel, and recently found resistance at the previous all-time high, and then surpassed it, but quickly formed a bearish engulfing candle, and then currently it's on the way downwards. So that was very expected, as this move was very overextended. So as you can see right here, another overextended move, and we had a nice correction pattern to continue upwards. Obviously the market has to move in waves so that sellers and people who are taking profit are extinguished by the time the market goes down, so the buyers can take over and drive prices even further. If you see a market going like this, it is probably overextended, which is what Bitcoin is at this point. So for now, I would expect somewhat of a retracement, perhaps into the 38 fib level, into the 50 fib level, maybe even the 61% fib level, as Ethereum and other altcoins or large cap altcoins gain a little bit of traction at this point. But then we will see another push for Bitcoin in the future as more people find out about cryptocurrencies, and obviously the first thing they're going to find out about and invest into is Bitcoin. So that would be about it for this video. I do recommend you give us a follow on Twitter for the latest news in the market and cryptocurrencies in general. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, and just a little quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, and always do your own research before investing in crypto or blockchain projects. Thanks for watching.